James. I just have a first name of James. Is that James Garner?
I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. City of Detroit versus James Earl Garner, case number SP110045, counts of 1 and 2 and 3. SP116507, counts 1 and 2. SP11695121. SP12230791. SP 137 SP 139 SP 1547407 SP 1560101 SP 1734242. And let's say State of Michigan versus Jane, SX 362685661. I held you in contempt of court. Um, 24000007. State your name for the record, please.
I am James Garner, the living man, not the corporate fiction that y'all alleging these charges against.
You got to come down and appear in person, sir.
And I have no problem with that. As soon as the prosecutor can provide me with jurisdiction, an affidavit of an injured party, and a sworn affidavit from someone named the people of the state of Michigan. Because under the law, all of those things must be intact for me to even answer these alleged charges. The court has no jurisdiction. They have not shown any jurisdiction. They have not presented me with any jurisdiction or a contract saying that they have jurisdiction.
All right. Well, before we even get into that, you have to come down. Mr. Garner, you have to come down in person, all right?
We did that, and that didn't work out so good. Okay, well, here's the thing, Mr. Perkins. Unless the court can provide me with a sworn affidavit under oath, as the law requires, of an injured party, there is no case. In order for a case to exist, there must be an injured party. The law says it is the rule of law. And unless the court is trying to violate the oath of office and commit perjury, we understand what the problem is.
All right. I'm gonna need you to start. Come on down. Make your way out there.
All right,
let's pass that matter.
The law clearly states there must be an injured party for a case to exist.
Put them in the way. All right. Bruce, why are you so late?
I was in the room and I didn't know to hit agree. There, I just got the phone with the court up there, and she even agrees that we need better instructions on this paperwork that gets sent out to us. I called at 9. They sent me over to your room because I was in the wrong room, and then I didn't hit agree, sir. I apologize about that, but we do need some better instructions on this paperwork, sir. I was calling my lawyer and everything. I was bugging him. I am so sorry.
Who's your lawyer?
I use a guy named Jim. He's out of Monroe, but he's not in right now. He's on vacation, and I've been bugging him. Yes, sir.
Give me the pronunciation of your last name.
Gambur, Gamburd, and I am a junior, sir.
All right, City of Detroit versus John Gam. John Patrick Gam, Junior. You 717 4125. Here for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
My name is John Patrick Gambur Jr., and I will be representing myself today.
Okay, I apologize.
No, it's okay.
What do you want to do?
I want to plead not guilty, sir, and I would like to make the court aware that I was detained and handcuffed and taken to the police station without being read my Miranda rights. I asked for a lawyer. At the time, my request was ignored. No formal charges was filed at the time, sir, and I was later released. I also believe my car was unlawfully seized, driven by the officers, and impounded without proper warrant or justification. I respectfully request that the court considers these violations, and I'm asking for a formal dismissal or to have a hearing to challenge the legality of the stop and the seizure.
So that's going to be done by a motion. Want to challenge the stopping? You're gonna represent yourself. You're gonna write your own motion and stuff like that.
Yes, I'll have my lawyer take care of all that after he gets back, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, well, I'm going to set the trial date. Trial date is we've already given you a pre-trial date. I mean, this is the date.
Yeah, well, so when I first came in, sir, I'm so sorry. When I first came in, this is my fourth time showing up. I don't know what's been going on, but this pre-trial should already happened.
All right, well, today is the day time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to set a trial date for September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. You can have your lawyer or you need to get the motion in here before that, and you need to give the city attorney opportunity to respond before that. So, the court will say that you have to give the city attorney 7 days to respond. So,
I just thought, to be honest, sir, I thought it was going to get thrown out. It was pretty much like they kidnapped me. I don't even understand why I'm here.
well, it's not going to be thrown out.
I really don't.
Yeah, it's not going to get thrown out.
I didn't know, sir. I was.
Have you? All right, so you can get your lawyer. You can appoint a lawyer for you if you want that. But you sound like you have your own.
Yes, sir.
So what do you want to do?
I would like to also talk to the court-appointed lawyer too, if that's okay, sir.
Well, she just tried to speak to you, but you said you wanted to represent yourself.
I know.
All right,
Well, I was so scared, sir. I'm late. It's 11 o'clock. I didn't. Yes, sir.
join the breakout room. You want to copy
Yes, sir.
the ticket, Ms. Harris? Hey, give this here.
Sure. Thank you.
All right. City of Detroit versus Bradley Graham III, case number C8093641. State your name for the record, Mr. Bradley Graham.
Bradley Graham.
Ms. Bumpus, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Lori Bumpus on behalf of the probation department.
All right. So Mr. Graham is confident that these tests are going to come back because he said he doesn't drink anymore.
Yes, Your Honor. He did come in this morning to test and his test results were negative.
Very good. Now, what do we have for him as far as this situation is concerned? How often are you working?
We just got back to work actually like last week fully.
Okay.
Cause we work, we're like
I
crack.
know how it goes. I know how I worked before for 26 years. So I know exactly how it goes. Well, listen, I want to be able to get you off of this sooner rather than later. This was the 6-month baby the other day.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Your
You
Honor.
got to understand, my job is protecting the community. And I have people telling me all day that they didn't do this, they didn't do that. The proof is in the test. So that's why it's so important for you to test. All right. He's completed everything else.
He still has a balance, Your Honor, of $630.
Yeah, or other than the money.
He's completed everything else.
You want to do some community service?
I'd rather just pay it.
Or when can you pay?
Can you extend me at least 2 or 3 months?
I can all day long. I got 2 years I can hold you on that.
I'd rather you extend me pay it because I have a little son that I had to switch off with me and my baby mother. So I'd rather pay it than have to do community service.
So you want you're saying 2 months, 3 months? What do you want to do?
Just give me 3 months.
Come back, review. And how often is he testing?
He's testing 2 times a month, Your Honor.
Don't leave that in place. 11/17/2025, 8:25. You don't have to come back in person, but if you get into an issue, don't wait until the date of court. All right? Because Ms. Thomas can probably help you, or somebody could probably help you, but at the very least, we're gonna know what's going on.
Okay.
All right. All right. So call that number of help too and see if Mr. Johnson can help you. And if you have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Yes.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
Mr. Graham, could you come down and see me for 1 minute, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you,
You're welcome.
Judge. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you. No, I was excellent. You don't get that. I mean, good. Hopefully. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gambro. Mr. Gambro, I've given you an opportunity to counsel.
Thank you for that.
I want to.
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
That's going to change the court date to September 2nd. And that way, I have to make sure that appointed attorney is contacted you. That's what that date is set for.
Yes, sir.
So you need to ask the call. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Attorney has not contacted you by September 2nd, and we're going to get one appointed on the spot on that day.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. That's next day, so September 2nd, 2025, 8:30. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Thank you, sir.
Okay.